Right, see everyone. So today, objective of the derivatives I am going to start. Objective derivatives I am going to start. So Sidhu, see the college will be starting on January. It is a but what is the problem is we can come means no problem. So other colleges, those we have the students are coming and they are sitting. So that's why you have to discuss yourself and come to the college is the better. Already government is giving to permission from January. So better to come because of we are in the college means what we are explaining on the board perfectly we can be understand. That is my opinion. So no means we can wait on 10 days. January will be start. Past 10 can come start. Right, you can come no problem. Near Bagal college candidates. So use yourself Nitish and those who are near to the college. So we have to discuss boys and girls. We can come means that is a better. So that is the better. Nearly 10 boys and 10 girls means no problem. Okay, na? You have to discuss and come means automatically January they are going to give an permission, no objection. You have to discuss yourself, better to come. Right, see the objective. I am going to start the objective. So that is the derivatives. First I am going to start the derivative. Directly I am not going to the shortcut method. So first I will introduce the derivative part of the formulas. One time we can be read, that is the most important formulas because of we go through the shortcut method. First you have to observe the formula. Formulas is the most important for doing the problems. So in the subjective or objective, formulas is compulsory for derivative. You should be remember the formulas. You should be practice. Derivative of the constant. Derivative of the constant C. Derivative will become as a 0. This is the first formula in derivatives. Derivative of the constant is equal to 0. And derivative second formula is derivative of x power of n is equal to power comes before and decreased by 1. Power comes before and decreased by 1. Immediately write down derivative of x with the self x. So derivative of x with the same function x, its value is 1. Derivative of x with respect to single x is equal to 2x square 2x. Derivative of x cube with respect to single x is equal to 3x square. You should be read 3 points only perfectly. So already I will tell in subjective also. So next one, derivative of good boy is the 3. Third one is the e power of x is the good boy. E power of x derivative is the e power of x, no change. And derivative of a power of x is equal to a is the constant, constant to the power of variable, constant to the power of variable, anywhere is came. So that is equal to a power of x into log a. So you should be remember 2 power of x derivative e. So 2 is the constant, base is the constant, 2 power of x into log 2. Similarly, we can write any type of the, for only understanding I will write, so 2 power of x derivative e, 2 power of x into log 2. Is it clear? Right. So next one is fifth formula is derivative of ln. Actually, we should be right ln x base is e, or we can write this side is the derivative of log of base e x. There is no base means always base e. Then its formula is 1 by x. Sixth one is derivative of, so logarithm of base of any number a other than e, it never comes to the formula. Then we can separate, write down the base change formula log x base e by log a base e. So now we can take the constant outside. 1 by log a is the outside derivative of log x. constant comes outside of the derivative, then we can apply. Therefore, here seventh formula is derivative of constant into function. Derivative of constant into a constant comes outside of the derivative, derivative of function. We can apply this one. Already this is the method we are going to represent. Next, eighth one is everyone see the eighth one. So root x, derivative of root x, derivative of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Always see downside is the always with respect to single x. Always with respect to single x. That's why single x is needed. Okay, na? Root of single x, the log x single x, and here is the x single cube, x cube. So every term is a single x only. So this is the point we should be remembered. Okay, na? Right. Next, I go through the ninth point is ninth one, derivative of 1 by x power of n. So this can be write down d by dx of x power of minus n, and then apply the x power of minus n formula, and then apply the x power of minus n formula. So next, derivative of trigonometric function sin x, function derivative is cos x. Cos x. So derivative of cos x, C letter is came. C letter is came with B. Then negative will came minus sin x. C letter is came means negative will came. So you should be remember this point. Derivative of C letter means cos x. Then negative will came. So next, derivative of tan x is equal to secant square x. No C letter. So derivative of tan x. So secant square x. Derivative of cot x, C letter is came. Derivative of cot x, C letter is came. Minus cosecant square x. Derivative of cosecant x, C letter is came. Therefore minus cosecant x into cot x. Right, derivative of secant x. So no C letter, therefore secant x into tan x. So no secant x into tan x. Okay, na? So right, next we go through the inverse trigonometric functions. Sin inverse x, everyone see, this must be noted down, everyone. Sin inverse x, inverse trigonometric formula should be noted down. So this is the conditions also there. That's why it should be noted down. Sin inverse x, first one is derivative of sin inverse of single x is equal to 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Here x is modulus x is less than or equal to 1. Then only we can apply this formula. So cos inverse x also same, d by dx of cos inverse x. Formula is the minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square modulus of x less than or equal to 1. Modulus of less than or equal to means minus 1 to plus 1. Minus 1 go to less than 1 x less than plus 1. So second one, derivative of tan inverse x. Derivative of tan inverse x, 1 by 1 plus x square. X belongs to any real number. X belongs to any real number. Derivative of cot inverse x, that is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. X belongs to any real number. Right. Next one, derivative, third one is derivative of secant inverse x. So 1 by a modulus of x into root over x square minus 1. Here condition is modulus x is greater than 1. Modulus x is greater than 1. Derivative of cosecant inverse x is equal to same formula minus 1 by modulus of x root over x square minus 1 modulus x is greater than 1. These are the conditions you should be note down, everyone. Right. I go through the shortcut method of the. So everyone note down 2, 2, 2. I will write. So these conditions should be note down. Everyone note down these conditions also. Okay, na? Noting is completed, everyone. Right. I go through the first shortcut method in derivatives. Everyone see derivatives. I go through the first shortcut method. Right. So first shortcut method, trick 1. Right. Everyone see the trick 1. If y is equal to capital A f of x plus b. A is the constant, b is a constant, f of x is the function, a f of x plus b, c f of x plus d, c f of x plus d, c f of x plus d, then dy by dx is equal to determinant of a constant, b constant, c constant, d constant, determinant value a, b, c, d, derivative of function f dash x by denominator square f of x plus d whole square. Actually, we can do by the u by v formula. So standard formulas one time recollect. So what is the standard formula? Is derivative of u into v. Derivative of u into v. First function same, derivative of second function same, derivative of first function. So derivative of u by v, derivative of u by v, quotient rule. First write down say v, derivative of u minus u, derivative of v by upon v square. Actually, we are going to apply the formula of u by v and then we can do the problem. But this is a long, this is very simple. We are going to write what type of the problems is included in this one. A constant into f of x, downside also f of x, same function, f of x, downside also f of x. A constant, f of x plus b constant different, a constant different, b constant different, c constant different, d constant different, but function is the same. So in this one, constants determinant, so determinant of the constant, derivative of the same function f dash x by denominator square. Indirectly, they are going to apply the u by v formula. By the u by v formula, they will write the short method. Easy for doing the problem. See in this one. First problem, everyone see. Problem number 1. If f of x is equal to 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x, 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x, then f dash of pi by 6. What is the answer for it? Options note down. First option is 4 plus root 3. Second option is 4 plus 2 root 3. Third option is 4 plus 4 into 2 plus root 3. And fourth option is 4 minus 2 minus root 3. These are the given 4 options. So now I will do the problem. Everyone see. So hint of the problem is I am doing in the short method. So everyone do the long procedure. So what is the long procedure? They are applying the U by V formula. What is the answer we are getting? Somebody will do the tan of pi by 4 plus x formula. Tan of pi by 4 plus x. Tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 1 minus tan pi by 4 tan x. We get the tan of 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. They apply the formulas. So, but we are going to do the problem very simply. We can see first one, f of x I will write. So tan x I will write in the 1 time of tan x plus 1. So I will write this in. So tan x plus 1, a plus b or a minus b the same. Tan x plus 1 by, this is write down minus tan x plus 1. Minus tan x plus 1. Now I am going to convert this in 1 into tan x plus 1 by minus 1 into tan x plus 1. Now see the derivative here. A into f of x plus b, a constant, b constant, c constant, d constant, ad multiplication, no need to write. So determinant not necessary. See the ad minus bc, ad 1 into 1 is the 1 minus bc, 1 into minus 1 is the minus 1 plus 1. Determinant value is completed. Derivative of tan x derivative is the secant square x by denominator is, so minus tan x plus 1 minus tan x whole square. So this is the problem is completed. Answer is 2 secant square x, 2 secant square x by 1 minus tan x whole square. 1 minus tan x whole square. Next one is, so f dash of, asking the f dash, sorry, here is writing, now you can see f dash of x, f dash of x formula is ad minus bc, ad is the 1, minus minus is the plus 1, tan function derivative is the secant square x by denominator is the 1 minus tan x square, 1 minus tan x square, derivative 40 is completed. Therefore, 2 secant square x by denominator is the 1 minus tan x whole square. 1 minus tan x whole square. Is it clear? Now everyone see. Required is the f dash of pi by 3. F dash of pi by 6 means 30 degrees. So 2 secant square of 30 degrees by denominator is the 1 minus tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees whole square. Secant 30 degrees value is the cos 30 degrees is the root 3 by 2. Cos that is the secant is the reverse. Therefore, it will become as a 2 into tan 30 degrees, cos 30 degrees is the sin 30 is the 1 by 2, cos 30 is the root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 reverse is the 2 by root 3, it will become as a 4 by 3, denominator is, so 1 minus, this is the 1 by root 3 tan 30, 1 by root 3 whole square. Now simplify, 8 by 3, denominator is, write down everyone, root 3 minus 1 whole square by root 3 square is the 3 cancel. Now 8 by a minus b whole square formula apply. 8 by a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 root 3, a square. Right, I will write here is, right, see everyone, here is cancelled. Now it is cancelled now. I will write here, everyone observe. I will write here 8 by denominator is the a minus b whole square formula, root 3 square is the 1 minus 2 root 3. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay na? So now 4 minus 2 root 3 common take, 8 by 4 minus 2 root 3 take 2 is common and cancel. 4 by 2 minus root 3. Apply the rationalizing. Apply the rationalizing, everyone. Apply the rationalizing. Apply the rationalizing. By the rationalizing, we get the answer is 4 into 2 plus root 3. By denominator is the 4 minus 3. Therefore, answer is the 4 times of 2 plus root 3. Where we have that option is the third option is the correct one. Third option is the correct one. See, but doing is the process is the we are feeling the long procedure, but very simple we can do. So direct problem we can take me. So I am writing for understanding only. For your understanding, I am separating. But I am not going to take like this one. Tan x plus 1 by minus tan x plus 1. 1 into 1 is the 1. Minus 1 into 1 is the 2. 2 tan x derivative is the 2 secant square x by 1 minus tan x whole square. That's enough. So secant square x means I will write. So 1 minus tan square x. Secant square x means 1 minus tan square x. So I will write 1 plus tan x into 1 minus tan x. 1 minus tan x is cancelled. Direct substitute and simplify. We get the answer. Okay, na? Right. We can do the one more problem. C. The second problem, same order. I am going to do the second problem, everyone. Problem number 2. Everyone see the problem number 2 in the same order. P2 means problem number 2. If y is equal to sine alpha into sine x, by denominator is 1 minus cos alpha into sine x, 1 minus cos alpha into sine x, then y dash of x is equal to 0 value is derivative of y and substitute x is equal to 0 is derivative of y and x place is substitute 0 is. Option C is given. First option answer is tan alpha. Second option is 2 cosecant alpha. 2 cosecant alpha. Third option is secant alpha. Fourth option is sine alpha. So these are the given options. Everyone see the basic the option. I do the problem fast. We can see in term the problem I will do within the second. See y is equal to sine alpha is the constant, sine x is the function, plus b constant is the 0. A is the sine alpha, f of x is the sine x, b is the constant is 0 by minus cos alpha. C value is minus cos alpha. Function is the sine x plus 1. Now it is in the form of a f of x plus b by c f of x plus d. C f of x plus d. Now I will write derivative C fastly. Y dash is equal to AD sine alpha into 1 is the sine alpha. AD minus BC. So AD sine alpha minus BC. Minus is the 0 into minus cos alpha is the 0 into sine x. F of x derivative is the sine x derivative is the cos x. Sine x derivative is the cos x. By denominator is denominator 1 minus cos alpha into sine x whole square. We're going to finish problem. So y dash x place is substitute 0 sine alpha cos of 0 degrees by denominator 1 minus cos alpha sine 0 degrees whole square. Cos 0 degrees value is the 1 sine alpha by sine 0 degrees value is the 0. 0 into cos alpha is the 0. 1 minus 0 is the 1 only. Therefore, we get the answer is the sine alpha, where we have the answer is the fourth option. Okay, na? Simple problem is a very simple we can do. Within the seconds we can do. This log u by v, we are going to apply the u by v formula simplification. It will take more time. but simply we can do the within the seconds only we can be completed. Right, everyone go through the problem number 3. First move problem number 3. We said video also, we can once again we can see, we can practice very simply we can do. 1 or 2 times we can practice with this model is completed. Write down if problem number 3. If y is equal to 4 tan x minus 3 upon 5 tan x plus 9, then y dash of 0. So first answer is given by 5 by 8. Second answer is given by 5 by 8. Second option is the 51 by 81. Third option is right on. So third option is 82 by 51. And fourth option is 8 by 5 is given. In these options we can check everyone. First, apply this. I do this within the seconds. See, AD 4 into 9 is the 36 minus BC minus 15 minus is the plus 50. Finish. Tan f of x derivative secant square x denominator square 5 tan x plus 9 whole square. 5 tan x plus 9 whole square. Y dash is completed. So 15 plus 51 secant square x by denominator is the 5 tan x plus 9. 5 tan x plus 9 whole square. 5 tan x plus 9 whole square. Now x place is substitute 0. Y dash of 0. 51 secant square of 0 degrees by 5 into tan of 0 degrees plus 9 whole square. Right, now we can see secant 0 degrees is the 1. 51 secant 0 degrees value is the 1. Tan 0 is the 0. 0 into 5 is the 0. 0 plus 9 is the 9 square. 9 square means 81. 51 by 81 is the required answer. Second option is the correct one. Within the seconds we should be completed. Okay, that is the use of the shortcut methods. So this model is clearly understand everyone. You should be practice once again. Then we can be perfect in this model. Okay, now? Right. One more model. I am going to the type 2. Everyone see the type 2. Trick number 2. Everyone note down the trick 2. Trick number 2. Everyone note down. What is the trick number 2 is? Right, see the trick number 2. What is the trick number 2 is? Implicit function. Implicit function means every equation is equal to 0 is a implicit. Is equal to 0 is a implicit function. So is equal to 0. So now implicit functions derivatives. Implicit function. Right. This is the second model. Implicit function. Implicit function mean is equal to 0. Given relation x and y in x and y. Given relation in x and y is of the form f of x comma y is equal to 0. That is the implicit function. Then dy by dx is equal to its derivative is dy by dx is equal to minus of partial derivative of x f with respect to x, partial derivative of f with respect to x by partial derivative of f with respect to y. Partial derivative of x means y constant here, y constant here. Partial derivative with respect to x means x constant. Here x constant. Right. This is the method we are going to apply. So second method is everyone see the trick number 2. So if any equation is given, any equation, say locus equations, every circle equation also implicit function, or parabola equation also implicit function. Every equation is equal to 0. Every equation is a implicit function. You should be remembered. Every is equal to 0 is a implicit function. How can you apply? Partial derivative dou f by dou x mean with respect to x means y constant. With respect to y means x constant. With respect to x means y constant. With respect to y means x constant. This is not a derivative, partial derivative. Dou f by dou x, dou f by dou y. Partial derivative with respect to x mean y constant. Partial derivative with respect to y mean x constant. You should be remembered. Okay, right? We can write the problem number 1. Write down. If x cube plus y cube plus 2xy plus sin y minus 100 is equal to 0, then dy by dx is. Then dy by dx is. This is the problem. So this problem will take more time, but we can do within this second. See, ordinary method also I will explain, and a short method also I will explain. Ordinary method is, see, don't write, first listen ordinary method. I will tell the short method. So x cube derivative is the 3x square, y cube derivative is the 3y square with respect to x is dy by dx. Y follow the 2 into u into v formula, x y derivative is the dy by dx plus y into x derivative is the 1, sin y derivative is the cos y follow the dy by dx, 100 constant derivative is the 0. Next, open, multiply with 2, take the common of dy by dx, 3x square plus 3y square into dy by dx plus 2x into dy by dx plus 2y plus cos y into dy by dx. Cos y into dy by dx is equal to 0. dy by dx take common. Not dy by dx terms bring on the right side. dy by dx is common. Then 3y square plus 2x plus cos y. Not dy by dx term C. So minus 3x square minus 2y. Minus 3x square minus 2y. Okay, na? Minus 3x square minus 2y. dy by dx is equal to minus 3x square plus 2y minus is common by denominator is 3y square plus 2 square 2x plus cos y. This is the ordinary method. So this take more time. So, but how can you do this shortcut method is everyone see. I am going to do the shortcut method within the seconds. I will do the problem. So ordinary method is the long procedure. You understand that? I will do the problem only one line. This answer is I am doing by the one line. So see the hint of the problem is dy by dx is equal to minus of partial derivative of x, only x terms derivative, y treated as a constant. Derivative with respect to x means y constant. So x cube derivative is the 3x square y constant derivative 0 plus 2y coefficient x derivative is 1 sin y constant derivative 0 100 derivative 0 by partial derivative with respect to y. Y means x term 0, y cube derivative is the 3y square. No need to write dy by dx. 2x is the coefficient. 2x is the coefficient. Y derivative is 1. And sin x derivative is the cos y. Finished. Problem is completed. Only one line. Only one line. The problem is only one line. Once again, I am going to explain. Everyone listen. Once again, you can listen. Minus of partial derivative with respect to x means partial derivative with respect to x means x only function, y constant. So already I will write y is a constant. When we do the partial derivative with respect to x, y is a constant. So x cube derivative is the 3x square, y constant derivative is 0, 2y is the coefficient, x derivative is the 1, sin y constant derivative 0, 100 derivative is the 0 by. So partial derivative with respect to y, x constant derivative 0, y cube 3y square. Here 2x is the coefficient, y derivative is 1, sin y derivative is the cos y, 100 derivative is the 0. Therefore answer is minus of 3x square plus 2y by denominator is 2x plus 3y square plus cos y. That long procedure solution is came by only one line. Okay, na? By the only one line. We can understand everyone? Right. I go through the second problem. See, I go through the second problem. Everyone write down the second problem. Easy. Very problem number 2. See, problem number 2 is if sin of x comma y. Sorry, time is over. Tomorrow I will start this problem. It is going to cut. That's why I am going to stop once again. I will explain the trick to tomorrow also. Okay, na?